My name's Joe Annandale. I'm one of the lung specialist nurses in Hywel Dda. And what I'd just like to show you is how to put a filter onto the circuit of your machine. You may have different machines, different shapes, different sizes, but don't worry, the principle is the same, and the tubing may also look slightly different, but don't worry about that. Again, it's not mandatory that you do this, but we are advising it as a health board. If, however, you have a humidifier on your machine, then we would not recommend you putting a filter in the circuit. But what we would advise is keep using the humidifier to ensure that it's comfortable and that you keep having your very important treatment. The tubing fits on the machine in different places, so it's important that you first disconnect it by gently removing the connection. And then you'll have the two ends. These filters are very specific filters, and you must source them from the clinical engineering department of your local hospital, because a lot of them look the same, but they actually work differently. The filters have two ends, and it'll only go on one way. You can see it'll only connect the one way. So the filter attaches to the machine, and then the tubing will attach to the other end of the filter. And there's your circuit.